Things only people with tinnitus know. Unexpected loud noises can greatly change our mood and the way that we feel. So what can happen is that we can be outside enjoying our lives, being social with our friends, when all of a sudden, out of nowhere, a really loud noise can happen and there's nothing that we can do for it. We don't have earplugs in, we're just not prepared. What can happen is that we shut down, the fear, the anxiety kicks in, the fear that we might have to go through a spike and what that means for us, and no one else around you will understand at all, because it's something that only people with tinnitus know. My advice to you in this situation is this. In the last 22 years of having tinnitus, I've been through this situation many times, and in most cases, it's not affected my tinnitus. And it's important to keep in mind that even if it does affect your tinnitus, it's probably going to be temporary. So a temporary spike, or a mini spike as I call them. I think it's important to keep this in mind because it's important that we don't let tinnitus take too much away from us. It's important that we get out, enjoy our lives and have fun. And that involves also noise from unexpected places.